Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to declare local and global variable in Excel VBA. In previous classes, we have learned how to declare a variable within a subroutine. But here we will discuss with some different methods. For detail, let's go to the computer screen. So we are in the computer screen now. As you can see, I have inserted here one module and three subroutine procedure. Okay. Test 1, 2 and 3. Now we will declare a variable here like dim a as a byte. Okay. So I have declared here one variable like a as byte. Okay. We will assign some value here like a equals to 20 and we will take output in message box equals to message box a. Okay. So if I run this code, it will bring a message box with 20. Okay. But if we use this only like a equals to 20 and message box a in a different subroutine procedure, then what will happen? Suppose I am changing the value of a like 10. Okay. But if I run the test 2 subroutine procedure, then what will happen? It will bring an error because we haven't declared the variable a in our test 2 subroutine. You can see we have declared it on test 1 subroutine procedure. Okay. So to overcome from this problem, we can write down the dim statement below our option explicit statement. Then it will be a local variable. Okay. So let's run it now. If I run it now, you can see it will not bring an error. It will execute the code automatically. Okay. We can use dim statement here or we can use also private statement here like private. Okay. If I use private, it will also work. Okay. So if I run this dim statement here, then the scope will be in the subroutine only. And if I write here like private or dim below the option explicit, then the scope of the variable will be in the module. But if we insert a new module here, let's see what happened now. I am inserting one module again and inserting one sub here, sub test 4. And we will assign some value in variable a here, a equals to 25 and we will message box it. Okay. Now if I run this code, it will bring also error. Let's try also. You can see variable not defined because we have defined here private a as byte. If I change this as like global or public, then it will work properly. Okay. Like public a as byte. That means, let me check. I think I make a spelling mistake. pub. Okay. So now the variable becomes global variable. We can use it in our entire project. Now if I go to the module 2 and run this code, you can see it will run properly because a becomes a global variable now. We can use the global here or public. If I change here global, it will also work. Okay. It will also work here and it will also work in the different modules. Okay. So by this method, we can use our variable in a particular subroutine procedure, in a particular module or in a particular project also. Okay. But here one drawback exists. If we are using global or local variable and we are calling one subroutine in another subroutine, then there might be some problem. Let's see it. So I am deleting the message box from here also. Okay. So here a is 20 and here a is 10. Okay. Just I am calling test 2 here. So what will this code do basically? It will call the test 2 subroutine procedure and below that I am just taking an output to some other cell like range C4 dot value equals to a. So what will happen now if I run this code with debugging mode? Let's see what happened. I am clicking on debug here. Okay. You can see a becoming 20 here. Okay. And it's calling the test 2. Okay. You can see here a is 20. Once this statement has been passed, you can see it's becoming 10. Also it's becoming 10. So here we are using the same variable in our 2 subroutine procedure. This is a problem basically. Here we cannot assign different values in a single variable in 2 different subroutine procedure. This is a drawback of global or local variable. To resolve this, we need to declare the variable in each subroutine procedure with dim statement. Let's try it. Suppose I am deleting it from here and dim A as byte, and I am typing the same text here in the second subroutine procedure. Now let's see what is happening. If I run this code, and before that I will read this text from C for cell, okay. Let's run it. You can see A is 20 here, okay. If I put the mouse here, you can see A is 20, and if I run it again, you can see here A is 10. Because in our system memory there are different stack formed to store different variables data, okay. So for test 1 subroutine procedure there is A is 20, and in the test 2 subroutine procedure there is A is 10. This is different variables with different data. So if you still some confusion about local variable, global variable and variable, write down in the comment section below. I will reply on it. So that's all for this video. We will meet in a new video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.